Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and we are going to be making Philly cheesesteak. And we're going to start off with the chicken half of that recipe. For that, we're going to need 2 chicken breasts, 1 to 2 cups of chicken stock, a tablespoon of salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder, and a crock pot. Starting is simple. We're going to put our 2 chicken breasts into the crock pot. Sprinkle the seasonings over them. Add in about 1 cup of the chicken broth. This is going to go on low for the next 6 hours. And 6 hours later, our chicken will be nice and tender like this. Right, now the chicken's done, I can get our vegetables cooking. Put about a cup of our leftover chicken broth from it cooking into our pan. 1 small box of onions or mushrooms. Got about 1/4 yellow, red, and green pepper that I am adding to our pan. This is going to cook until all of those are cooked down and soft. Okay, I've taken the time that those vegetables have been cooking to shred up our chicken. And I'm going to be adding it into the vegetables in the last couple minutes of them cooking. Okay, I've taken 2 Hoagie Rolls, put the chicken peppers mixture on it, and I'm going to be putting these under the broiler for the next 3 minutes. Okay, the sandwiches toasted away under the broiler. We're going to close those up, cut one up, and try it on out. Okay, I cut up one of the sandwiches. Looks beautiful and melty. We're going to taste this right now. Well, I ate half of the sandwich because that's just kind of how good it was. Other than the fact that you can tell it's chicken and not, cheesesteak, it's amazing. It almost just directly reminds you of one. And the cheese that I put on our sandwich, I don't think I got to tell you was Swiss, but something tells me if you use provolone or mozzarella or even a cheese sauce, this would still be just as amazing. You can taste a lot of the chicken and it's not too spicy or anything. If you were hoping for a little more spicy, I would probably double the spices because it cooks in it all day. But this is definitely, I'm going to make this again. Even maybe try it with just normal cheesesteak. But for now, tell me what you think about my sandwich. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video.